last week in overtime, and now here calls a timeout prior to the snap on 3rd and goal out of the shotgun, and there is Brooking.
Well, it didn't look like Matt Schaub saw it coming because they free-released the back. Either that or the back was responsible, but the way the back goes out in the route, Arian Foster, you're going to see Brooking come right here completely untouched, and Arian Foster got his head around like he was expecting the ball thrown immediately, but clearly a mistake there offensively in terms of the communication as to what was going on.
Touchdown. Daniels took it off the board. Texans could not punch it in, and Keith Brooking makes the play for the Cowboys.